Good evening, guys. It's a little late, so my vlog is very, very short. I am trying to catch up on Sharpe's Chronicles, and it's gonna be a one-taker, so I'm really tired, so I will go to bed soon. But yeah, did 2 child programs yesterday, and yesterday, what? See, my brain is broken today. And, yeah. I'm tired. Haven't much to add. So, this is a short vlog. Gonna see you guys tomorrow, okay?